CO2 emission. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I am Navarajan Subramaniam from University Technology Malaysia. Currently, I am pursuing Master in Geoinformatics. My teammate for this competition will be Dr. Nur Hakim bin Yusuf from UTM as well. Today, I'm going to present about our innovation on integrated CO2 system emission for passenger car. Without wasting our time, let's move to our content today. Our aim of this innovation is to develop a low cost and real time emission CO2 emission monitoring system. An objective for our innovation is to develop a low cost prototype which can measure the CO2 emission from vehicle and monitor the data by real time using a cloud system.
Okay, okay. Next, let's we move into our demonstration of our prototype. Well, let me introduce my ICO2SE prototype. So this is a small prototype that I built. The two tubes from front side and back side represent that this is the exhaust flow, inlet of exhaust flow, and this one is the outlet of the exhaust flow. So let's move on into what is inside this box. Okay, basically inside the box is contain the equipment that I have explained in uh, previous slide just now. So this is the overall structure inside the box. It consists of a power bank to power up our microcontroller, and there is a CO2 sensor. Okay, when the exhaust gas is flow inside the tube, the small box will be covered up with the carbon dioxide gas. So when the gas is trapped inside the box, the CO2 start to sense the data. When the data is start to sense, it will be transferred to the it will be locked into this microcontroller. So this microcontroller will act as a Wi-Fi embedded microcontroller, which transfer the log data into the cloud system. Once the carbon dioxide is has been collected, the carbon dioxide will be flow out through this outlet pipe. So this is the inside of the working prototype. As I mentioned earlier, how the prototype will be work. So once again, I describe briefly where the carbon dioxide enter inside the tube and move to the small container inside the big box, and inside the small container there contain of carbon dioxide gas is sensed by the CO2 sensor, and the data will be collected by microcontroller and transferred to the cloud. So the existing carbon dioxide gas in the small box will be moved outward to the outlet pipe.
Well, now come let's take a look on how the data log in our cloud system. The right hand side window shows that the amount of data collected by the sensor, and the left hand side window show that the graph is plotting in the cloud system. So for the cloud system, I'm using the ThinkSpeak as I mentioned in the slide previously. So when the data is keep getting logged into the microcontroller, it's straight away passed to the cloud system. Finally, that is a brief demonstration of my ICO2SE prototype. Thank you for your attention, ladies and gentlemen.